Hey guys, welcome back to the CRM Build Labs. This is Justin as always. What we have here today is further iteration on our record type setup. So what I've done quickly while we were away is I updated past settings that I have another video on my page discussing how this works. But, essentially what's happened here is I created a new path, one that's for the marketing record type, one that's for the sales record type that can be demonstrated here. So this is the defined marketing sales process. And then I have one that's created for the salesperson as well. Right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the lead object and we're going to create a new lightning page that's specific to our marketing experience. We're going to create a record page. We're going to give it a label, marketing lead lightning page. And lightning pages are really cool. They give you a lot of flexibility to do things whenever you have them turned on for dynamic forms. It provides you to modify visibility to components that are created, and all that jazz. There's 18 standard values that you can do here, so you can figure out exactly what fits your organization and how you want it to go. For me, I'm going to use a clone default page, so I'm going to use the lead group view. I don't need a duplicate at this point in time, so I'm going to remove duplicate. I'm going to leave campaign history as a related tab. I am going to move activity over to this section over here, and I'm going to move chatter over to this section. So what I'm going to do is click on the component. I'm going to add a tab. I'm going to rename this tab as activities. I'm going to add another tab. I'm going to rename this tab as chatter. Where is it? Chatter. I'm going to add it. I'm going to remove the default tab as related. I'll make it the first tab. I am going to rearrange these tabs. This is the visibility feature that I was talking about. So it has no filter. So I'm going to allow it to stay as it is for now. Then I need a component here. So I'm going to search over here. I'm going to add activities. For the chatter, I'm going to search for chatter. I'm going to look at the details. I'm previewing the sales layout, but I want to do the marketing layout. Here that is. This is the backend classic version of the page. So this is where our marketing page layout is defined. Click back a couple times. Right here. Now that I have the page here that I want, let's see if we can save it. We're going to activate it. We're going to make it an app default. So we're going to find the marketing app. We'll add next. Make it available for desktop and phone. I'm going to save it. So now whenever users come to the marketing application, let me close that out. To the marketing application, that lead format is going to be what we see, right? We still have some work to do to get the page fully operational. So what we'll do is we'll go back to our edit. We're going to remove this tab here. We're going to remove the chatter feed here. Additional call out I would like to make here is that in order for your chatter to allow you to post and your activities to show here on the backend page layout, I went through it too quick and missed it. But once it's removed from the Salesforce mobile actions, it reduces your ability to leverage that on the Lightning page. So since I fixed that, now you'll see that the activity and the chatter is represented as I expect. Now from a marketing perspective, I'm not going to retitle this section, but if I wanted to, it's super easy to do. You can change it here with a custom value right there, and you can identify it how you would like. I'm going to suggest from a marketing perspective, we don't need the rating field. We're going to create a new field eventually for the marketing experience. Lead owner, it's likely going to be a queue. Those values are fun. Campaign, we'll pull up to the top. We'll probably put that there for now. Dress is fun. Number of locations fun. These values are fun. We're going to remove agent research for now. And we have the description at the bottom. We're going to save. And then we're going to go to our sales experience and we're going to modify that Lightning page as well. So we're going to move activity and chatter over here to a related section. Because personally, from my experience, I like seeing details stand alone on this side because this is the information about the actual lead record, and the item that I'm going to make dominant on the this side of the fence is going to be the activity. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to add a tab. I'm going to go down to or up to the activity. I'm going to add it. I want to default to the activity tab. I want to move it ahead of related. And we'll put the component in there. I'm going to remove activity from this side. And I think I'm going to leave chatter on this side as well. But I am going to make this details as the primary first scene. We're going to leave that as here. I'll close it out. We'll close this one out. And then we have campaign up top. We'll continue to iterate on these items, but as you can see, right, one of the main things that we're doing here for this is from our pick list values for lead status. You see that we only have the 3 that we define for the marketing user. And now from this side, we have the lead substatus as a field that doesn't exist on the marketing side. And then for our lead status over here, we have defined more values. In the next videos, we'll continue to iterate against um, these lead records to be representative of a business use case. The next thing that I'm likely to post is going to be data manipulation, to where I'm going to leverage a flow to take the existing leads that we have and do a good mix between marketing record types and the sales record types, because I do believe the vast majority of these right now is related to the master record type, and we'll add this as a column so we can see. Where'd it go? So yeah, so we have one marketing, one sales, and the rest of these are all in the master. So I'm going to leverage a flow in the next video to go through and automate uh, creating record type assignments for the rest of these leads that exist. Talk to you soon.